how to update your Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11. So this is really important to ensure that your network is running as quickly as possible. So all you need to do is first open up your Start menu and then just go and load up your settings. From the left hand side, click on Windows Update, and then you'll need to click on the Check for Updates button and first go and install any outdated software in Windows. This can oftentimes also include driver updates as well. Now once you've done this, you'll need to scroll down to Advanced Options. You'll then need to scroll down to Optional Updates, and then you'll also see driver updates from here. Make sure to go and install any outdated software. Now once you've done this, you can also open up your Start menu again. You can search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Now click on the drop down arrow next to Network Adapters, and you need to locate your Wi-Fi adapter. So mine is this one here, which is the Realtek wireless device. You can then right click on this and press Update Driver. Press Search Automatically for drivers and check to see if you're running the latest driver. Now, if you're having issues with your Wi-Fi or it's not working, then another way to do this is you can right click on your Wi-Fi driver, click on Update, select Browse My Computer for drivers, and press Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You can then go and select the latest version, which is this second one here, and then go and press Next. And that's another way to install the latest Wi-Fi drivers.